Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison, and in this video, I'm going to show you why you should not start an Amazon store. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and I'm glad that you stopped to watch this video. I want to talk to you today about why you should not start an Amazon store. Now, I already know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my gosh, okay, Anthony, listen. Everybody's talking about Amazon. Amazon is huge. Why would I not want to take part in this? Why would I not want to make money from this? I get it. I understand it. I'm going to show you why in just a second. The fact of the matter is that Amazon is huge, right? Amazon is massive. But what if there was a way that you could actually profit from Amazon without starting an Amazon store? You see, one of the things that I find very difficult for beginners is that when you're starting a new store and when you're starting this whole new thing online, like you're sitting there thinking to yourself, like, I got to go get a tax ID number, and then I've got to go over here and I've got to put together a product list. I got to find products. Then once I find the products that I can sell, I've then got to go see what everybody else is selling those products for, and I've got to try to beat their prices. Then I've got to ship all this stuff to Amazon, and I've got to hope that it all makes it there and I don't lose any products. And you can see, like, it's a lot of organization. It's a big thing. So like all these people that say, oh, just start an Amazon store. Well, I mean, look, the big money isn't made in drop shipping from Amazon, right? That's not where like the big money is made. The big money is made when you're buying in bulk, you're shipping that stuff to Amazon, and Amazon is shipping it out for you. We've done this in the past with our books. So I've written a lot of books. Of my very first one, The Hidden Millionaire. We put it on Amazon. You can find it on Amazon right now. And I'll tell you, it's the least profitable channel that we've ever used, right? We've put it on television, the internet, web pages, eBay, all of these things. And Amazon is the least profitable one. So what I want to do in this video is talk to you about why and how you can still benefit from Amazon, but not actually have to start an Amazon store. So let's go to my computer. All right, so the reasons why you should not have an Amazon store, all right? Reason number one, all right, is simply just the logistics, okay? The logistics of it. This is a nightmare, like I just said. It's a massive logistical nightmare to be able to find products, get products, ship products, refund customers, do customer support, have shipping policies, return policies, merch, all these things, right? Like there's a lot of stuff involved in shipping and doing business with a quote Amazon store. The second one, which I think is very important, is just simply the competition, okay? The competition. I want you to think about this. How many people are buying and selling on Amazon right now? Hello, when you go and you fish in a pond, okay, with a million other fishermen, even if there's a lot of fish in the pond, it's still sometimes hard to catch a fish because so many other people are competing with you. And so in my mind, I'm thinking, man, you got to put all this money into this, and then you've got to risk the fact that you've got other people that can sell at better rates than you, sell for cheaper prices than you. And that can be very difficult, and it can be just like catastrophic for your business, right? So that's reason number two. Back to my whiteboard. Let's talk about reason number three, and it's the real simple reason. It's called money, okay? Money. You have to spend a lot of money on Amazon in order to be able to make money with Amazon. And here's how that works, and here's why, okay? So let's just look at a breakdown, like let's say month one, okay? So you've got month one, month two, month three, month four, month five, and we'll just break it down into month six, okay? So these months, all right? So here's the thing. If your average profit, okay, if your average profit margin on the products that you're selling is, let's just say it's 10% for the lack of better numbers and having to go through a bunch of things, because some products have a little bit higher profit margins than others. But let's just say it's 10%. So if in month one, you want to sell $10,000 worth of products, okay? And then in month two, you want to sell, hopefully, you grow a little bit, you want to sell $12,000 worth of products. And let's say month three, you want to get to $15,000. We'll stop right there, okay? So if we add that up, that's $37,000 worth of products that you want to sell in the first 3 months. So really, really simple math numbers here, okay, in order for you to be able to fully see what that looks like. 37,000 with a profit margin of 10% would mean that you would spend, okay, $33,300 on your products, and you would generate 37,000, okay, which would give you a profit, obviously, because, hey, look, at the end of the day, that's what we're looking for, is a profit, but it's only like $3,700, right? So think about this. If you're spending, like, say, month one, you got to spend $9,000 on product just to generate a $1,000 profit, okay? So guess what that means? Even though you made $1,000 your first month, guess what? In order to have $12,000 worth of inventory for month two, now what do you have to do? You have to spend the money to make sure that Amazon has that product. Well, that's now $10,800, right? So even if you sell all this and you make a $1,200 profit, you can see that as you go along, it's going to take you at this rate, okay, selling at, somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000 a month worth of product, okay, it's still going to take you months, okay, months and months and months, maybe 10 plus months, okay, to have basically a $10,000 profit, okay, which you can then roll back into your product cost. So think about that. That means that you could legitimately be running an Amazon store for 10, 11, 12 months, be making a profit, right? So actually be making money, but never have any of that money. Because why? Well, because that money is being reinvested into the growth, being reinvested into the product, being reinvested into having stuff to sell for the next couple of months. And that's what makes this so hard. People always tell you, oh, it's so easy, just do an Amazon store, make a fortune. That's true, but you have to have cash flow, right? You have to have enough money to be able to sink into it and leave it there for 6, 7, 8, 9 months until you flip the script, right? Until you've now generated enough profit that you're spending your profit on now your inventory, right, with Amazon. And now it's bringing back in an actual cash profit that you can use, cash flow, right? This is something that a lot of beginners don't understand, is the cash flow of a business. When I started my first infomercial, which was, a few years ago, and we were selling a book and we were selling it on television, we had to spend upwards of $600,000 to $700,000. Okay, and that money stayed out for 6 to 7, 8 months before it flipped, before we actually started making more money, okay, than we were spending, and started bringing back in some of it. And so it's very important as a beginner, as somebody who's just looking for, okay, I want to start my own business online, I want to make money on the internet, how do I do this? You see everybody telling you Amazon stores. This is the reason why people will do those done-for-you Amazon stores. Why? People always say, well, why would they do a done-for-you Amazon store that's going to make all this money? Why not just do it themselves, right? I had the same question. And this is the answer. It's because of cash flow. It's because instead of, when somebody knows how to automate and handle an Amazon store and scale it, right? What ends up happening is they run out of credit. They run out of ability, okay, to front load all this money. So it's easier to go get 50 people, right, that all have maybe $50,000 or $100,000 worth of credit that they can use to build up a store than it is for them to go get $5 million, right? And that's the reason why you see a lot of people that are selling the done-for-you Amazon packages. So is that a good business? Absolutely. It's not like it's a terrible business, but you have to understand that these are the things that could happen, right? And these are the little pitfalls that people don't know about. So why do I think there's a better way? Well, it's because in the past, I've experienced more success as an affiliate than I have as an actual store owner. Let's go back to my whiteboard and I'll show you really fast what I'm talking about, okay? So the affiliate model, all right? So the affiliate model for me makes more sense. And the reason is because you have the big companies, okay? So you have a big company and this might be like Amazon, okay? All right? And they go out and they reach what we call affiliates, right? So these would be people just like you. So you can become an affiliate, all right? And then what the affiliate does is the affiliate sends traffic, okay? So traffic and customers, all right? They send traffic and customers to existing stores. And what Amazon does is they go back and they pay a commission, okay? So they pay a commission on those sales. So it makes it very easy. You basically become an affiliate, okay? And an affiliate is somebody who is able to promote Amazon stores. You're able to market an Amazon store just like you would your own. The difference is that you're earning a commission from doing it instead of having to go and buy all of these products and have a very small profit margin. You're not having to front load any of the cost of the product. You can still earn 7, 10, 12%. I'll show you right now. Let's go to my computer. So this is Amazon's website right here. And if you scroll all the way down on Amazon's website, you're gonna find a button, okay, that a lot of people miss. So you look at all these buttons, you'll see one right here that says become an affiliate. When you click on this button, you'll see you can earn up to 10% in commissions by just simply sending Amazon customers, right? So 7% on Echo and Fire TV devices. You can see right here, this is the profit, like this is the margin that they will give you, right? And so what you can do is you can become an affiliate, okay? And in becoming an affiliate, you can earn money on anything that's on Amazon. And this is something else that's very important. I've seen a lot of people get caught with this. They'll buy all these products, right? And then all of a sudden the trend will change, the thought will change, something changes. And then they're stuck with all this inventory and they can't sell it. The great thing about being an affiliate is it's somebody else's inventory that you're selling. You're not having to front load it. You're not having to put any money into it. You're not having to go spend money on product. You don't have to do all that logistical stuff. You don't even have to worry about the competition because you're not really even competing. You're able to just send customers to Amazon and get a commission. And that is something that I feel like if you're a beginner and you want to put your foot in the water, dip your toes in the water, as they say, on building an online business, being able to generate income, being able to actually make money, like this is how you do it because this is the way that makes the most sense to me. In fact, this is how I got started. I got started online as an affiliate. And I was an affiliate of big banks. So what I was doing was promoting Chase and Amazon, or not Amazon, Chase and American Express and Bank of America and all these big credit card companies, right? And I was earning an insane amount of money from it. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a clip. I had a lot of success with this. It's what started my success online. And someone came and they interviewed my dad about what I had done. And I'm going to let him kind of tell you a little bit about what I did and then also show you some of the checks that I earned. Because this was back in like 2006 or so. So this was many, many years ago. But you're going to be shocked when you see six-figure checks. Literally, what is that, like 15 years ago or so, 14 years ago? I was earning six figures. Imagine what you can do now. I mean, things have completely changed. So check this out.
It would take your breath away. It still takes my breath away. He created the internet business that produced these checks. 101,000. 103,000, 94,000, 90,000. We went from devastation to a Cinderella lifestyle in just a few short months. Of course, it was primarily developed to help this family, but so many others have benefited from it.
Pretty cool stuff, huh? I mean, look, at the end of the day, there's a lot of money to be made as an affiliate. There's a lot of people that are making money as an affiliate. And ultimately, it's just affiliate marketing it's like a staple. It's something that's time tested. It's been around for forever, right? Well over a decade and a half. And my first book was teaching people about go be an affiliate, go do this because it's a simple path. Like I'm all about like the simplest path to having success, the path of least resistance, right? Like, yes, I could go create this huge e-commerce store, but it's a nightmare sometimes. And I know this from experience. You know, you might be saying, okay, Anthony, well, what do you know about e-commerce? Well, I also started an e-commerce business back in 2006. When I first started my online business, I started e-commerce business, affiliate marketing business. I grew my e-commerce business to $300,000 or so a month in sales. The problem was I was only making 10%. In making 10%, guess what? I wasn't really making a lot of money, but I was spending a ton of time on it. I would much rather have the $100,000 and $200,000 checks that you just saw and be spending a small fraction of that. Like my profit margin was in some months 90%, right? And I didn't have all the headaches with it. And that's what I really want to teach you how to do, is how to become an affiliate. If you look below this video in the description, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll give you a ton of information, a ton of help on becoming an affiliate. You can follow me on Facebook, and you can also get a copy of my free book that kind of outlines the most essential steps that you need to take in order to being a successful affiliate, right? So I think that that's very, very important. It's completely free. There's no shipping cost or anything like that. And then, of course, if you'd like to partner with me, I actually have a Partner with Anthony program where I'll literally partner with you. I'll work with you, right? And help you to build your very own affiliate marketing business, because I truly believe that that's the foundation that you really need in order to have massive success. Like, that is the foundation that took me from a kid in college that had absolutely no clue what I wanted to do with my life other than be a doctor. Like, that was my tunnel vision, right? And it turned me on to this internet thing, which has grown. We've done well over $100 million in sales. And it all started with affiliate marketing. But here's the cool part. It started back then with affiliate marketing. And today I still do affiliate marketing. So no matter what else you see me doing, like, I'm still doing affiliate marketing. It's here to stay. It's a staple, and it's the best way, in my opinion, for you to get started. So there is a link. You can get a copy of my book completely free, and then I'll show you how you can actually partner with me to build your very own affiliate marketing business, your very own email list, and to really get your feet wet and start doing this. There's a million other things that you can try to do online. I'm just telling you what was the simplest path to massive success for me, and I truly believe it will be for you. If you love this content and you want to learn more from me, click that subscribe button right now. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Get a copy of my book, and I look forward to teaching you more about how you can become a successful affiliate.